Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. If you like a content with fashion, beauty, travel blog, and a little bit of luxury unboxing for you guys, then stay tuned and also don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video, and also give me a big thumbs up. Thank you guys again so much for all your support. I know I've been on and off in the YouTube lately, and so yeah, and today's video I do have a unboxing for this camera. Well, to be honest with you guys, when I start YouTube, it's been I should buy a camera like a Sony or other, like a blogging or a filming camera, but I said to myself, you know what, I just take on my phone because I use my phone a lot and I carry a lot, and I'm also shy blogging in the public. And I found this one that I want to try. Hopefully this is really good. This is from Insta360 Go 3S and 4K. Sorry guys if you see all the slides. So this is what it looks like, and yeah, and let's see and unbox this. Yeah, this is actually part of the gift from my husband on Christmas, but it didn't arrive. It's so late, maybe because it's ordered late, he said, and now it's delivering late, so I'll make a separate video, mine as well. So the good thing about this is because the camera is so small, you can just put into your they have a magnetic necklace that you can wear on, and also you can use and put on your dashboard, in your hat. And this is the 4K, and he got me 128 gigabytes. And yeah, it's like a hands-free as well, and it comes, it's magnetic mounting system. And when I looking this online during Black Friday deals, that they're having a free tripod or something like that. But I mentioned that to my husband. He said he didn't get because he ordered this in Amazon. But oh well, I guess I want to get something different. Okay, how do I open this? Okay, see guys. There you go. Hopefully though that I can use this one, because I know it's almost like similar price for like a vlogging for Sony. That one also I like, that small one. But this one is more like if you are really shy and you don't want to do showing your camera or something, but it still show out a little bit, but it's not that big enough. So I will show you. I don't know what is this one. This is comes with this, and here is the camera. See how small it is, and hopefully that I can hide this one. I'm do blogging or something. So it comes with this one over here, a mount, magnetic mount. You can put this one anywhere. You just attach this together, and comes with this as well. It's like a necklace. You can put on your chest. You can actually put underneath your shirt so it doesn't show this one. I saw that one in a video. And also this one, I have no idea what it is. What this is, I think you can put your the small camera in here, and you put like in a mirror somewhere, then while you're blogging. And today I will not do because I'm going to work. I'm just filming right now, and on Sundays, my days off, I will do film a little bit outside, so how it looks. And also gonna take a pictures. And this is the camera, guys. Oh my god, it's so cute, and it comes with this magnetic case. I'm not sure as how, what's it called, that one. And no, I don't say so. The one thing, that's why I like this one, because it has a small screen that you can watch while I'm filming, like especially here. If I can do it, I know it's small, bigger than my smaller than my phone, but at least I have something that I can use with. But also this one is removable, by the way. Let me see how to remove this. Let's see. So I just press this button over here and come out. See, I can use as this one when I go outside, if I want to do filming at a home, or I can still actually use this one outside so I can see what it looks like, because for this one you can even see yourself or what you've been doing unless you attach with this one, especially in public. And yeah, that's what thing I like about, because it's too small. I can just put right here or hide somewhere. It look like just like a small camera. But yeah, the good, this is the one it sold me out. They have another, this is the latest from, they have first one for this, like Go 3. Mine, I have 3S. I'm not sure if they're making a new one of this. So that's what it comes with this one. And I can put this one over here. Let me remove this again. And you can put this one over here. There's other magnetic one over here, just like that. And you can mount this one anywhere, like on my mirror or something that I can use like that. And also this one over here is also from the necklace that I mentioned to you guys, and see how magnetic it is. Oh. So that's what it is. Maybe because it has this plastic, I didn't remove it, but it does magnet over there, which is, but when I'm shaking it, it doesn't really, see, it come out. But yeah, I don't want to remove the plastic yet or somehow like that, because maybe I want to ending up return it and exchange, go order to their website so I can get the free stick. Like, yeah, it's my, so at least when I'm filming, I put something like that, because I have no place to put when I'm doing, I don't have a tripod for this, because the other one is different. This one over here, it's different than my other tripod that I own. And also maybe I will just use as this one. I don't know what is this for. I don't know what is this for over here. It's like, oh, wait, I'm not sure what is this for. Okay, this is magnetic. Maybe that one's for there. And then I'm not sure how. Okay, maybe this is the one attached for the tripod and also the selfie stick. And yeah, and like I said, guys, I'm gonna do filming what it looks of the camera and everything like that. For this one, I'm not sure for this two. This two is what? Maybe a case for this. This is a case for this one over here, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe not. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I have to look everything. Oh, okay. So this one is for this one over here. Yeah, this one is, it will stand this up. Oh, okay. So this one is for here. Then I can attach while I'm also filming. Oh, I can use that one over there, but we'll see. Oh, I guess they said so many multi-purpose for this one. And then what else come out with this? This is also, it says it's flow state stabilizations and horizon lock. And also 2.2 flip touchscreen, which is this one over here. And it has remote control and live preview, and 10-meter waterproof, or also 33 feet. And it has A-powered editing, which is, hopefully it's good. And you can put this one in your hat, backpack, hands-free, magnetic mounting system, mount anywhere. So they have so many there. What else over here? Let me see. Let me see what's over here, guys. Oh, there's more. They have a charger. Okay, what else? Manual. So how to use it, which is nice. Manual can be handy. And they have a Insta360 sticker. And yeah, like I said, guys, I'm gonna play with this one when I'm not working, so I can do with this, or let my husband start with this. Maybe I have to download this on my app, on my phone. I don't know what. Oh, this is a charger. So yeah, this is a charger. Yes, guys, I kind of excited because I've been saying this a lot on my Facebook and Instagram. It's all pop up and ads. And I said to myself, you know what, give me a try. Let's get a try for this one. If it's not work for me, I can sell this and buy another one, but or stick to my phone, I guess. Anyway, guys, that's it for my unboxing today. Hope you like this kind of content. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I see you guys in my next one. Bye.